Naglalakad sa
crowd. Book your screening.
Also, slightly.
This guy.
For exhibitors.
Hindi may cargo fee ka pag di kay ano?
Start kasi
sometimes we question whether shall we be out more because if we're out or we're more visible, then more hate speech. And this is the everyday experience of trans people, of LGBTQ people in an environment where in just a flick of a finger, no, na magbabago ang public opinion. Now, let's say maganda ang public opinion kasi Pride Month, but after that, what happens, no? When a trans woman who is not passing or cis passing goes to a female bathroom, issue na naman, kami na naman ang butt of the joke, kami na naman ang bakit hindi mapasa-pasa ang SOGS equality bill na yan. So, you know, and that's why we're so loud, we're so angry.
Pusa. Kayo po Comiket expert. Ano po tips and tricks?
Oo.
Ngayon, di ka na nag-stream.
Marami siya.